7 years back when we decided to rebuild our house, it was a difficult decision, but Alok Gupta ji had already built a few houses in our colony, fortunately, and we had some very good references to go by. We have a small 190-200 square yard plot, and the issue was that it is not regular, like the front is much wider than the back, and they managed it very well, the design and all. And in hindsight, I would say that it was a very good decision for us to go with Alok Gupta ji. He has his own team of architects. He has his own engineer Vipin ji, who spent a lot of time on the project, and the supervision, the people. And one thing I would say, which is the biggest fear that we started with, that what if the projects get stalled for some reason. You hear of all so many horror stories, but nothing like that happened. The project was not stalled for a day, it was delivered on time, and they were always very receptive to what our requirements were, and they would also give their own inputs, because once the house is built, you have to live in it. And they had already built so many houses, so they were also very well versed with the practical aspect of it, like okay, this should be like this, because otherwise आपको maintenance में problem आएगी, practical aspects like that. And they had their own team of plumbers and carpenters, and I would visit often, and they were also very cooperative. They were also very receptive to the ideas that okay, ye shelf yahan hai, all right, this is how you want it, I'll do it for you. I would measure something, go back to them, and they were always very receptive to the idea. And now we have been living in this house for the past 5.5 years, and the paint is all original. We've not had any major issues, and Alok Gupta ji has always been there whenever we've had any requirement, anything. So he has always been very supportive, and he has always been a call away for us. So we are, on the whole, I would say we are very happy with it. It was just the right decision that we took, and I would really recommend Alok Gupta ji's firm, Archie's Builders and Contractors. You would like to add something?
Yeah, you have added almost everything. All I would say is that, you see, this was a very complex project because of the layout of the plot, and we wanted something different from the normal. I think we are very lucky. We got it constructed in the right time and under the budget. There were no exposures, and at every stage we found that we were in safe hands. When you build a house, it's a major project, it's not a small project. It's very essential that you have the confidence that you are in safe hands. So at every stage of the building while it was constructed, we had the comfort feel that we are in safe hands. So whether you rate it on technology, whether you rate it on skills, expertise, availability of resources, price performance, I think I'll give a very high score to Archie's Engineers and Construction Company for meeting all our expectations. And like Shelly said, what you see today is a 5-year-old building.
Yeah, more than 5-year-old. We've been living here for 5.5 years now.
Touch wood, we haven't had any issue. And whatever minor issues we have had, Mr. Alok Gupta has provided very good service even after completing the construction of the house. So whenever there is anything, we still go to him for advice and any further.
He's always been a call away. The post-completion service has been very good.